Please enjoy the sounds you are about to hear. To download the file that just played, simply click the first link in the description below. It's completely free.